In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this type of video that gets millions of views on YouTube. This type of video is called documentary style video. I'm going to play a sample for you right now, then you get an idea of how the video actually look like.
For centuries, the oceans have shaped our planet, covering more than 70% of the Earth's surface. They are the heart of life itself. Beneath the surface lies a hidden world. Coral reefs, fish, and countless marine creatures form a delicate balance, one that supports life both in the water and on land. From the playful dolphins to the majestic whales, the oceans are home to some of the most fascinating animals on Earth. But the oceans are not just a home for wildlife. They provide food, jobs, and energy, touching the lives of billions of people every single day. Yet, our oceans are under threat. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are pushing this vital ecosystem to the edge. Protecting our oceans means protecting our future. The story of the sea is the story of us all, and together, we can ensure it remains a story of life.
I hope you like this video. That is really amazing, isn't it? If you have no idea about how to create this type of video, you can actually ask ChatGPT for some idea. You can ask something like this. Can you give me simple documentary type of videos ideas using reality-free video clip that can easy to find? This is what I asked ChatGPT, and it gave me some few ideas. The first one is nature and environment, history and culture, science and technology, human life and motivation. So you can choose whatever topic you want to talk about. For me, I decided to talk about oceans of the world, which is under nature and environment. When you have decided what your topic will be like, then you want to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to give you a script for that topic. That is why I say, give me script for number 2. Also, the voiceover text. Remember, I selected number 2 under nature and environment, which is the questions of the world. So I want to talk about how oceans benefit us as humans. And when you have decided the topic you want to talk about, tell ChatGPT to give you the scripts for that topic and also the voice over text. This is what ChatGPT give to me. Give me the scene, the voice over text. Right now, here is the opening scene. Here is scene 2. Here is scene 3. And here is scene 4. And one good thing about this is that ChatGPT give me the idea of how my video clip will look like. For instance, in the opening scene, it says wide shot of calm ocean waves or sunrise over the sea. So this is just an idea of how my clip should look like. Now to get this particular clip, I need to copy this idea and go to Canva and search for this video clip to add to this voiceover. So this is Canva. The first thing I want to do is to click on this plus icon here that says create. Then come under the video category. Then I'll select this one. At first, it opens a blank page. So what I will do, I want to search for that video idea I got from ChatGPT. So I will come over to elements. Then on the search bar, I will paste in the text I copied from ChatGPT. Then I will click on enter. I will choose this. Next, right click the video, then choose this option that says set video as background. Next, adjust the video a little bit. Alright, this is fine. Next, I will click on this plus icon to add a new page. This time, I'm going to copy the next video ID from ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Now let me copy the next video ID, which is this. Then I will go back to Canva and search for that video ID as my second clip. This is Canva. Go to the next page, go back to Element tab, then paste in the next video ID. The video idea say clips of underwater fish. Yeah, I have different options to choose from. I'm going to choose the best. I will do the same thing. Right click the video, then set it as background. Next, I will click on this plus icon here. Then I will add the next video idea from ChatGPT. So this is how I will continue to do all of them until I get to the end. I am done adding all the clips I want. As you can see, all the clips is ready. So it is now time for me to generate the voiceover. For the voiceover, I will use the website called minimals.io. This is a text-to-speech software. Please keep in mind that you can use other text-to-speech software of your choice. You can use Eleven Lab and similar ones like that. In case you are interested to use minimals.io, just go to your browser and search for minimals.io. And if you don't have an account, you can create one with your Gmail account, and that is completely free. So what I want to do here is to go back to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover text and paste it here to generate the audio for the first scene. And I will do the same thing for the second scene, and just like that. Okay, this is ChatGPT. Now let me copy the voiceover text for the first scene. Here is it. I'll copy it. Then I will go back to the website. Then I will paste it here. Before I start to generate the voiceover, I need to change some settings. Here allow me to choose the voice I want. Right now I want this voice. I will click on here. If you go down, you see volume. You can increase the volume to whatever you want. I want mine to be like this. So when I'm okay with everything, I will just come here and click on generate.
For centuries, the oceans have shaped our planet, covering more than 70% of the Earth's surface. They are the heart of life itself.
That is really amazing. So this is the first voiceover test for Scene 1. So I will download this to my computer, come to the bottom right corner and click on download. Right now, we can see that the name of the audio file look rough. So I want to rename it so that I will not mess things up. And when I want to upload it to Canva, I will know which audio is for this video and which audio is for that video. So I will go ahead and rename it Audio 1. I will go back to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover text for Scene 2. Then I will go back to the website and paste the text here. Then I will click on generate.
Beneath the surface lies a hidden world. Coral reefs, fish, and countless marine creatures.
So this is my voiceover for Scene 2. I'll go ahead and download it again. I'll go back to my folder. This time I will name it as Audio 2. Alright, so I'm going to skip this video. Then I will do the same thing I showed you for the rest of the scene until it gets to the end. I'm done generating the audio. As you can see, I renamed them as Audio 1, Audio 2, Audio 3, Audio 4, Audio 5, and Audio 6. The reason why I renamed them is to avoid mixing things up, to know which one I'm using for that clip and which one I'm using for the other clip. The next is to upload this audio to Canva and add it to those video clips I've created earlier. This is Canva. To upload those audio I've created, just come to the left hand side that says upload, then go to upload files. Then let's go for the download folder. These are the audio. I will select all of them, then click on open. So you can see everything look nice and presentable because I rename it as Audio 1, Audio 2, Audio 3, and just like that. So the next thing I want to do is to drag Audio 1 to clip 1. Drag. Then I will take it to clip 1. Then I will adjust the video a little bit. Go to Audio 2, drag to clip 2. Then I will adjust the video a little bit as well. I will keep adding the audio one after the other until I get to the end of the clip. So I'm going to skip this part of the video. I am through adding the audio for each of the clip, as you can see at the bottom of each clip. The next thing I want to do is to add transition to each clip so that it will look smooth and attention grabbing. So just come here, you see this small dot that says add transition. Then I will choose dissolve. I will do the same thing in next click. I will choose dissolve. Next, choose dissolve. Then I will do the same thing for the rest of the clip. Now let me play to see how it look like.
For centuries, the oceans have shaped our planet, covering more than 70% of the Earth's surface. They are the heart of life itself. Beneath the surface lies a hidden world. Coral reefs, fish, and countless marine creatures form a delicate balance, one that supports life both in the water and on land. From the playful dolphins to the majestic whales, the oceans are home to some of the most fascinating animals on Earth. But the oceans are not just a home for wildlife. They provide food, jobs, and energy, touching the lives of billions of people every single day. Yet, our oceans are under threat. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are pushing this vital ecosystem to the edge. Protecting our oceans means protecting our future. The story of the sea is the story of us all, and together we can ensure it remains a story of life.
Well, that is really amazing, right? So you can create video for any topic that you want, be it is nature, be it is science technology, is part type of videos I get billions of views on YouTube. The final thing I want to do is to add auto caption to the video. Auto caption means that what is being said on the video will be written on the screen so that viewers can be reading it and make it to be engaging to them. But before I will do that, I will make sure I download this video to my computer. So to do that, you come to this top right corner that says share. Then go to download. Make sure that MP4 is selected. Then click on download. To create auto caption to this video, I want to use CapCut. Keep in mind that we can use any other editing software for choice to create caption for your video. So for this, I'll just click on the pods. Then I will go to the video, come to this top here that says captions. Then click on generate. So the auto caption video is now ready. You can see the caption on the video. And if I play the video around, you see each of the captions on the video. So when I'm happy with that, I will just export the video to my PC. If you found value in this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And don't forget to watch the next video right on your screen.